3, 2, 1.
Give any year in the life of the painter Tintoretto. The answer is D, 1573-1652, which is the world's smallest and oldest republic. The answer is D, San Marino. What are the next four words in the first line of the popular rhyme which starts remember the 5th of November? The answer is A, gunpowder, treason, and plot. What number did early Greeks not regard as a true number? The answer is A, 1. In Greek legend, Aphrodite turned Adonis into what? The answer is A, anemone. Keep wind from blowing away cupcakes at picnic. How would you do this? The answer is A, protect with paper Dixie cup. What TV show finds out what happens when people stop being polite and start being real? The answer is D, The Real World. What does the definition say Mary was free from? The answer is A, personal sin. What jurisdiction is the Harlequins Cricket Club located in? The answer is B, Munster. Which king of the Akkadians conquered Sumeria to unite Mesopotamia under one ruler for the first time? The answer is A, Sargon. Which of these chemical equations demonstrates the law of conservation of mass as it applies to the combustion of ethane? The answer is D, 2C2H6 plus 7O2 for code 2 plus 6H2O. What may be the reason for them having to stop so frequently? The answer is A, they needed to check on their cat frequently. The British call the game droughts. What do the Americans call the game? The answer is B, checkers. What are common things like furniture and stationary objects never made of? The answer is C, particles. Who was a tailor before assuming the office of the president? The answer is A, Andrew Johnson. In the movie Short Circuit, what is number 5's original function? The answer is C, weapon. To make grilled cheese more moist, how would you do this? The answer is A, put mayo on it before you grill. In which U.S. state is the Dollywood theme park? The answer is B, Tennessee. What does this tragedy encourage humans to do? The answer is B, put a higher value on life. On which river does Pittsburgh stand? The answer is A, Ohio. What is the state capital of Maryland? The answer is A, Annapolis. Which English painter was the first president of the Royal Academy? The answer is B, Sir Joshua Reynolds. Who is M's secretary in the James Bond series? The answer is C, Miss Moneypenny. The Annalee riots of August 1911, which left 6 men dead, were caused by a strike in which industry? The answer is C, railways. Whose soul will Nick gain in 3 days? The answer is A, Valentina's. How does Arne Grun's theory of forms say ideal forms exist? The answer is C, independently of any particular instance. Which moon of the solar system is named after the Greek god of fear? The answer is A, Phobos. When did Lieutenant Governor of New South Wales Francis Grose start suggesting Norfolk Island be permanently opened as a penal settlement? The answer is D, 1794. Which county is known as Shakespeare's County? The answer is B, Warwickshire. The passed Home Rule Bill wasn't implemented because of which war? The answer is A, the First World War. What kind of injuries would be sustained? The answer is B, scrapes. Aldebaran is the brightest star in which zodiacal constellation? The answer is B, Taurus. To which country do the Faroe Islands belong? The answer is A, Denmark. What causes the population of Ctenophora to grow at an explosive rate? The answer is C, hermaphroditism and early reproduction. In what century did Anne Catherine Emmerich meet Irenaeus? The answer is C, the 19th century. How many Technische Universitäten made up the TU9 German Institutes of Technology? The answer is D, 9. Why is the auctioneer showing the apartment? The answer is C, to slowly entrap more unsuspecting guests. Which band performed a massive controversial concert at the Brandenburg Gate celebrating the 20th anniversary of the fall of the Berlin Wall? The answer is D, U2. What was Bolsheviks' main military force? The answer is D, volunteer-based Red Guard. What types of glass is the word commonly used to mean? The answer is C. Silicate glasses. In which city was the first U.S. presidential inauguration held, prior to Washington, D.C. becoming the capital? The answer is B. New York. What is Chris' role at the school newspaper? The answer is A. He is a reporter. What are the colors on the national flag of Greenland? The answer is B. Red and blue. How long was the trip taking? The answer is D. 2 hours. What was the name of the Welsh village designed by Clough Williams-Ellis that was used in the filming of the television series The Prisoner? The answer is C. Portmeirion. What is a group of stars called? The answer is A. Constellation. How many Native Americans were there in 1970? The answer is D. 62,528, 12.6%. In the movie Goodfellas, Tommy DeVito, played by actor Joe Pesci, accidentally shoots a guy in the foot. What was the name of this guy? The answer is D. Spider. What brought about rediscovery of printing press knowledge? The answer is B. Arabic texts. Who established the Psychological School of Conservative International Relations?